I don't know. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly, and I got all my money. $500,000. Look, there's a magnet underneath. You see the magnet? Okay, so you know how I have that safe down there, right? If I can find where they have hidden their safes, I can hijack them. I just gotta be on the lookout. I'm gonna fly really high up and see if I can see anything. Or maybe hopefully they didn't hide their safes inside of the house. What are they doing? So, how close are you guys to $1 million?
Listen, I think I'm the one who should withdraw.
We're close to $1 million? I think we're like, I don't know, like a billion.
Probably there. Like I think we're
We're
probably
putting our money together.
Yeah,
We're going down. We're gonna live in this place together.
Wait, what?
You
No!
sent me flying.
Wait, no, bring
He
it
took our
back!
money.
That's all of our money
How is he?
combined!
Are you kidding?
No,